welcome to my channel. Welcome to my very long-awaited room makeover. And when I say long-awaited, I mean I've been trying to do this for a year and a half. I'm so excited. The last time I redid my room was in 2020, my freshman year of high school. I'm now a senior, so needless to say, I've outgrown a lot of the decorations that I put up when I was a freshman, and a lot of them have also fallen off, so my room decoration has been a mess. But today, I'm finally redoing it. I have a list of different things I want to take down and change up. First things first, I'm gonna tackle what I think is the biggest problem area, which is the area near my bed, which right now just has a bunch of vines going down. It's not a bad look, it's just not me anymore. So I got 2 picture frames from Amazon that I think I'm going to nail there instead. I may still keep some of the vines there just as decorations, but definitely not in the way that they are now. And then I also got a bunch of pictures printed out for my picture frames and also my collage wall and stuff. So that's the first step. I want to take all my vines down and get the picture frames there behind my bed instead. Doing my picture frames, I put them in, and I also took down the vines right above my bed. I think I may still like put a few vines over there, similar to how I have it going like on this side of my room. Set me in the corner now, and technicolor is your bed, won't you hear me out? This is what behind my bed looks like now that I put both picture frames up, and I also did some of the vines. I like how the vines sort of go around my window. I don't know, I just think that looks nice, but it does look a little bare over there, so I may add some stuff there later, like if I have extra photo collage walls and stuff. But overall, I'm very happy with how it looks right now. The next thing I want to tackle is the area right above my dresser. Right now, I have One Direction posters and then posters from like 2020 that just don't fit my vibe anymore. For this area, I was debating a few different things, but I think what I finally settled on is I'm going to move the 2 butterfly posters that I have up, and then I have these 4 picture frames that I got from a ballet studio literally 4 years ago. I used to do dance. I went to a ballet studio and I took classes and everything, and there's this one time my dad was waiting outside the studio for me to be done with my class, and the lady at the front desk of my dance studio just like said, "Hey, we're revamping our dance studio. Do you want these 4 picture frames? We're literally gonna donate them if no one takes them." So my dad was like, "Okay, sure," and he gave them to me, and I've literally had them under my bed for like since 8th grade. I recently like remembered I had them and I pulled them out and I was like, wait, these are so pretty. So I think I'm gonna put 2 of the picture frames up in this area, and I do need to dust those though because they've been sitting under my bed for 4 years, but I'm so excited to finally put it up.
Up on my call right back. Money hit my line, I got my mind on stays. Been there for a minute, you know I can't cap. Simmer down, we know that you not like that. You came out this way, so you might as well stay for the vibes, peace and quiet. Ain't this what you dream of when you close your eyelids? Picture perfect, super
Hello, it's like an hour later. I just finished area right above my dresser. Like the frames above my bed, I think it's a little bare right now. But after I do the big collage wall over here, then I'm gonna add some leftover pictures next to these frames just to add a little bit more. But overall, I literally just made like 2 major changes to my room and I'm already loving it so much more. Next thing I wanna do is just a bunch of miscellaneous things besides behind my bed, my dresser, and my photo wall, which I'll do last because it'll take the longest. There's like 5 small things that I want to do around my room, very small decorations I want to add. I actually started this room makeover like 2 months ago because I got an LED mirror and a skincare organizer like months ago, and I was so impatient. I just wanted to see what it looked like with my room. So I did put already some of these small changes in my room, and I'll put in the footage now.
Come like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities
built it. This is so cool. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take this to my bathroom and then just like start putting things on it.
Worth it to lose. I see you in every corner of every morning. Thoughts that haunted me.
Aside from the mirror and the bathroom organizer, there's still quite a few things that I want to do. First thing being my fairy lights. I put these fairy lights up in 8th grade. I think I was 13. So it's been long overdue to change that up. In my big Walmart pack, I got a bunch of new prints like these, and then I'm gonna cut each of them in the middle and then put them in place of the fairy light stuff that I have up now. That's first thing. Second thing, let me take you to my desk. So I've been keeping like a small collection of different postcards. So I was first thinking of putting them next to the ballet frames and sort of framing them around that, but my dad had the idea to put them all around here with magnets. So I think I'm gonna try that first and just see how it looks. If I don't like it, I'll just end up putting it next to the ballet frames, but I want to see what it looks like on my wall. I think it looks so much better. Now it is time for these, and I think I'm gonna set them up on my desk before I actually put them up here. Okay, update. After a little further consideration, I laid my postcards out on my desk and like sort of placed them. I tried putting them here. I don't think it's gonna work, so I think I may just put them here. Like hang them up here and stuff. I think that would look nicer than they would over here. January 31st. So far, I'm loving all the room decorations that I put in. When it's summer in my room, the sun hits that specific wall in the most perfect way, and I can't wait to see what that looks like with all of my new decor there. Today, it's time to tackle the largest part of my room makeover, which is this wall. I put this wall up in November of 2020, and as you can see, half of it has literally fallen down over the years. And like after rearranging it a few times, there's been small spots where like the print has fallen off. Overall, it just really needs a revamp. This is the biggest part of my room that I have been putting off just because it takes so long. So in my little Walmart trip like a week ago, where I printed out all of my pictures, I literally have 50 pictures to go on my wall back there. There are a bunch of pictures that I got from Pinterest. For example, like I have song lyrics and I also have my own pictures, but I'm gonna put as many as I can up on that wall, and then I may also fill up like the picture frame area with some small ones here and there. I'm going to put all of these out on my floor first, lay them out in the order and amount that I want, and then I'm gonna put it up on my wall because I'm just so scared I'm gonna mess it up. Okay, I just finished the area right above my bed. I ended up putting 4 square pictures there, which means it's now time to tackle my big wall. So I'm gonna put it all on the floor now. I'm a victim of gravity because it declines so rapidly. I thought you was just like a masterpiece, cause you all I see in my gallery. I should have had a better strategy, cause I was falling for you naturally, but you've been plotting on me actually. You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We treated each other like drugs. Now I do not know what is happening. They tried to warn me it was bad for me, but I just brushed it off so casually. I put all my trust in the love, and I became another casualty. Coincidentally, you guarded my back and then you attacked. Okay guys, it's now like an hour and a half later. I put everything out on the floor and then I started it on my wall, but I ran out of double-sided tape, which is what I've been using this whole time. So I literally just placed an order on Amazon right now for some double-sided tape. That's gonna come tomorrow. So can't finish this wall, unfortunately, but I laid it out on my floor and I like how it looks like. But I will get back to you guys when I do have my double-sided tape, and then we're gonna finally finish this wall. Last 5 pictures to put up. This tape is so hard to use for some reason. It's literally taken me so long, but I'm so happy. Overall, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add some stuff like on the ends to make it sort of fade in and out.
Hey, I just sing what the songbirds say, but I need a new line.
Hi guys, I finished up my photo wall finally, which means I'm fully done with my room. I love my room so much. I think it looks so much better. So without further ado, here's how my room looks after my room makeover. But yeah, I'm obsessed with everything and I'm very satisfied and happy with how this turned out. But that marks the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will be doing a room tour next week, so if you want to see everything in detail, stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below plant if you stayed to the end of this. Also make sure you subscribe, click the post notifications, and follow my Instagram and TikTok at uniceliubusiness. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next Saturday for another video. Bye.